When did the I crave attention kid go too far? In high school, there was a girl who craved attention. Let's call her Cryface. She had a way of turning heads, whether by screaming in hallways or sobbing over sad memes at lunch, and people always seemed to get sucked into her theatrics. I found her over the top and insincere. But one night during our junior year choir concert, she outdid herself. Just minutes before the performance, her mom appeared in the auditorium, marched over to the director, and whispered something urgently. The director called Cryface down, and as her mom leaned in to speak, Cryface let out a blood-curdling scream that echoed through the hall. She staggered toward the exit, only to collapse midway, wailing, "Oh my God! Oh my God!" Her mom helped her up and they rushed out, leaving everyone in stunned silence. Naturally, we thought the worst. Friends texted her, but Cryface only responded with cryptic messages like, "Nothing will ever be the same," and "Why couldn't it have been me?" Rumors spread that her father and little sister had died in a fiery car crash. People were organizing carpools for the funeral, and before the concert began, the entire choir even gathered to pray for her. But the reality? Cryface's little sister had been diagnosed with diabetes. No accident, no emergency, just a routine call from the doctor about a test result. Yet her reaction left everyone believing it was a life-shattering tragedy.